Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on Odatejish TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones.
Wicked ways, I love you too. The sexy ass bitch that they are paying people to bring her down. See my 6 packs. Do you want some? Should I give you my mom's number? Who wants 6 packs? Who needs 6 packs? Abua. Keep on taking concoctions. Abua. When you finish, you come and insult me. No faking. Poloo don't fake, you know. Poloo don't fake. That kills them, you know. I'm fucking real. I love you too, Ryle. Pressure girl, I love you too. Oh, I love you, 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 I love you 10,000 times. I love you. Sandra, I be you know, they disgrace themselves, they call us, they want to come back. Fuck you, bitches. You think we are fools? You want to come back so that you come and pour acid on us. After doing stupid things and apologizing, you call me, pressure me that you want to come back, you can't do without me. Like, seriously, what kind of creature are you? After doing evil things about me that you were paid to do, talking shit on television about me, and then you call me begging me with your man and your brother, you can't do, you've missed me, blah, 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 you can't do without me. Like, seriously, what kind of human being is that? Are you coming to now all this... That is it. It's okay now. Do you not hear me? It's better now. Okay. How old? Why do you want to know my age? I'm beautiful. That is my age. My age is I'm beautiful. My age is I'm beautiful. You get that? The real people will understand. This girl here. My age is I'm beautiful, that's it. Because I know some people who are 20 years, 25 years, but they look like horror. My age is beautiful. Gee. Gee. See smooth skin, soft body, tangible, scottoin, sosket. You wish. You wish. Telling you, you know, bitches. You want to know my age? My age is beautiful because I'm beautiful. Thank you, Linda. I've always been funny. People watch my things and go crazy. I put a lot of smiles on people's faces since day one. And this is me. This is me. Everything about me is purity. Purity. I have all my ribs intact. They are shaking, you know. I have all my ribs intact and still have my cute waist. Stop hating. Keep on supporting yourselves. Pray for yourself. Think about yourself. Stop going around routing your mouth, mentioning my fucking name. Fuck you. You see my no black spots, so you see? See the skin. The skin is popping, popping. You see? The skin is popping. The skin is popping, popping. You wish, you wish, you wish, you wish, you wish, you wish, you wish. Look at my fingers. The finger is popping. Even my son fingers is popping. My son's finger's skin is your face. Even your face, you can't even get it. You wish that skin on my son on your face. Fuck you. Very soon I'll get pregnant and my stomach will look like it. My stomach will look like very soon. My stomach will look like. Even my stomach is not coming. I'm pushing it but it's still flat. When I was pregnant, even when I was 8 months, unless you come in front of me before you see that, oh, this girl is pregnant. When I'm on the road going to market or somewhere, then cars will be stopping. And then when they come in front, they say, oh, you're pregnant. Because I was so beautiful. The skin was out. You know, when you get pregnant, because you stay indoor, the skin pop out, you know. My small, cute stomach. And it was popping. You know, even when I was pregnant, people were still proposing, you know. Because they couldn't see the thing. When I'm pregnant and I'm 6 months, it's difficult. That's why I performed with Becca when I was 4 months pregnant. Becca Girls Talk. We started Becca Girls Talk. The Becca Girls Talk. We started that. The Girls Talk. We were Becca's professional dancers for the Girls Talk. Yes. My friends, myself, and my other friends, they are still there and they are also making it. My good friends we started life with. My dancers. Lillian, Yvonne, you know, my 2 beautiful twins, they are also there. Yes, a lot of them. If I mention them, you will not know them, but the few I've mentioned, with Yvonne, I know you will know her because Yvonne is a professional dancer and Noosh. There's a lady called Noosh. Even Shatawale did a song and mentioned her name. The Gringo. If you listen to Shatawale Gringo, he mentioned Noosh. My Noosh, she's a dancer too. Lillian too used to be a dancer, but now she's doing her own thing, you know. So, Becca Girls Talk, the second edition, I was 4 months pregnant. And I performed 2 different songs, standing on my feet, on the stage, dancing. We did, our first performance was Beyonce Girls. We run the world, girls. We run the world, girls. We performed Girls. And I was pregnant. No one saw it. I was 4 months pregnant. It was only my friend Lillian who knew it. Yes. I gave birth. I was 2 weeks gone. And Wache called me for choco. I got there, they didn't know that I've given birth. After I finished everything, I took Wache home that I've given birth fresh. He said, what? When did you give birth? Because they didn't see me when I was pregnant. They didn't see it. I'm too cute. He done paid them. This bitch is too cute, you know. Yes. So, Chief treated me so good. That's why I love my son so much. I love him all. I love Chief. Though I'm not rich, though I don't have enough, but I'll make sure the education I didn't get, my son will get it. And all my kids will get what I didn't get, the opportunities I didn't get. The opportunities I didn't get, I will make sure my kids get that. I will work hard for them, you know? You know? You know? I will do that for my kids. I will do that. So God help me. Bring me good opportunities. No matter how hard the devil tried to block some of the opportunities that will come my way, God, disgrace and surprise them. Same opportunities they try to block, use a different dimension and bring it to me. Because I know all that they broke on my way. But it's funny, you know, they try to block it and good things come to my way. Yes. Yes. God will give me my heart desire. That is what I believe in. I don't give up. I don't give up. Oh. That's why I was able to meet Cardi B. I don't give up. I don't give up. Me, I don't give up. I don't give up. You are so stupid to laugh at me when I go wrong. Because oh, why are you people talking about my room? You love my room, right? It's a nice room. Thank you. Thank you. I'm a poor girl, but you know, I try to get something, you know. I'm not a rich kid, you know. I'm not doing any tangible work. I don't have any frontable, desirable, rich things, but I have my own. God always gives me the best, what I deserve. And thank you for telling me how beautiful my surrounding is. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Thank you for loving everything about me. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for strengthening me. Thank you for everything and how far you've come with me. Since I started social media to 2017, November, getting to 2018. That's when those core celebrities started posting. Celebrities started posting me in November 2017 to date. She's still posting me. She doesn't even take anything from me anymore. She loved me from her heart. That lady really loved me, truly loved me. People talk ill about me to her. They try to take me off her way. But that lady really, she is the only person who truly know who I were before becoming Poloo. She created me this way. She molded me. I was a shy type. I'm not even able, at first I can't even stand like this and talk because I'm not able to speak good English. So I think if I talk, people will laugh at me. And those Oscar celebrity built and stood on that I can't speak good English and told me all that I should be doing. She just told me, Respond, talk about this. And I say it in English and they'll tell me that this girl cannot speak good English. And that bad English has brought me this far. And I'm improving it on my English. At first, I can't speak this good. But since I started this live video for the past 1 hour now, I've been speaking English. And thank God you understand anything I say. Thank God you understand everything I say here. Thank God I'm not saying came instead of come. Just that I'm not slanging because I was born in Ghana. I'm a Ghanaian. I'm not from British. I'm not from US. Even most of the foreigners, they can't speak English. Some people speak France and things. They can't speak the English. Why are you being offended of me not being able to express myself in English? Do you get me? I wonder why people talk about you can't speak good English, you can't say this, you can't speak good English. Ronaldinho or whatever they call them, the footballers, the foreign footballers, they can't speak good English. Let me tell you, why are you people like this? Hypocrisy is killing you people. Hypocrisy is killing you. Because I know very well that most of the foreigners, most people who are in US speak their local dialects. They can't speak good English. I'm a proud Ghanaian. Why should I be fluent in someone's language? I was being taught in school. Even when I leave school and I come home, it's she, my grandfather, speak with me. So I only hear English when I go to class. Immediately I leave class, I come home. It's tree around me, local dialect, Ghanaian language. So I only hear English in school. And look at me. Sometimes I get to class, and then they started lectures. Because sometimes I have to go to farms before I go to school. You get me? So please, stop frustrating your life. If you don't understand my English, just find a dictionary and look for the translation. I have my own dictionary that's, don't worry, don't get me twisted, but my English is what my English is speaking. What I can spoke is what I'm spoken. What I can eat is what I'm eating. What I can speak is what I'm speaking. So if you are not speaking what I'm speaking, you have to hijack and understand yourself and vanish into the thick of the rims and go and come. And when you go and come and you can speak my English, you Saskatchewan here and vanish your face. Oh my God. I love you guys. I love you. I love you same way you love me, I gotta go. I have to. Chief! 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 Hey, you got like one. Hey! Chief! Hey, where's my son? Chief! Chief! My son will let me lose my voice. I couldn't find him. I think he is the next house room. I don't know. Juju came for him and I don't know where they've gone to. I'm going to eat. You are invited to my porridge. You are invited to my porridge. My bread. My porridge. Chief! I'm going to look for my son. Chief! Chief! Hey, I'm calling you. Come here. Come here. Hey, to be fair, I want to teach you. I'm a pro, sir. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Give me a question. What's your name? What pal? Now what pal? I'm making my first achieve one thing. First of all, I'm here. Come and say hi to my fans. They think you are missing. Come. Please don't be doing that too. Don't go far, okay? Go for your porridge. Go for your cocoa.
William,
Sit down and finish eating.
get number.
Shake it well before you eat.
Get number. Eh? Get number.
How about wine? Juju. 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 Hey. Junior, I'm warm bread.
Number.
Chief, come. Finish it. What? You want to take water? Just now. Come and sit down and eat. Finish eating first. Come here. Why do you don't like eating like that? Huh? You don't want to grow fat. You want to look slim. You want to be a slim boy. Eh? Eat. Finish your porridge. Finish everything. Chief doesn't like eating, no. I have to stand on him, be on him to finish all his food. Please, don't pour the thing in the couch. Don't pour it in the couch. If not, war. Whoa! Finish it. How can you sleep or lie down and eat? It doesn't work. Sit up, right? Focus on the porridge. Pour everything in your stomach. That is what I'm looking for. I don't know how you do it, but finish all this porridge before you step out. If not, you will not go out again. You will not go and play. No, but you've not gotten anywhere. You want to drink water. Take it. Sip it. Grum, grum, grum. Sip it. Sip it. Grum, grum, grum. You will finish. Oh, you missed my beautiful dance. With the dancing, I'll be dancing. Don't worry. I'm just trying to, my stomach, my stomach. You there, you don't focus on your food. Yeah. So guys, I gotta go. I gotta go. I have to take care of my personal issues. Oh yeah, that is my picture with Sarkodie. That picture is killer. That picture is killer. It's killing people. Sack Nation. Sack Nation. And my Twinnie. My Twinnie. My Twinnie. Cardi B, yeah? Before I'll do a portrait of you and plant it in my room, meaning I dearly love, respect, cherish your time in my life. Before you see me doing a portrait or framing you in my room, I only have these two people, Sarkodie and Cardi B. Before you see yourself like in my room, you've really touched my heart. Go and drink. Go and drink. You want to take water? Go. Where are you going to? You want to take water? You want to take water? Okay. Chief alone thinks that he has been eating. It's not easy. Chief will kill me. Chief will kill me. So guys, I gotta go, okay?
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye to them. So Chief is saying bye-bye to you.